So I want to show you one of the neatest things about Notion and how you can really put everything into Notion and then connect it all together. So Notion has what's a database. So that's where you can store different things and keep records, and you can link databases together. So basically here I have this vendors database here with the name of a lot of different vendors. And then I also have a business expenses database. So this is every expense that we have, like an invoice or something like that. So all you have to do here, I do have this one already set, but how you do this if you have something else, anything else that you want to link together and to show that they are connected together, all you have to do in Notion is in your database, click this plus button, and it's going to add a new field. And then you want to type in the relation. So this will relate databases, and you can even relate them back to themselves. So if you need to show things that are interconnected from one. So we'll click relation here, and then it already has the vendors showing here, but if you need to search something, you just search it, choose vendors, and then here you can choose to limit it. So on these expenses, typically I only want one single vendor to one expense, so I would probably just choose one page, or you can do no limit if you need to connect to multiple of them. And then also you want to choose whether to show that same relation. So on the vendors table, it'll show the expenses. You can choose that right there, and it will show that also. So then all you need to do is click add a relation. And now you have this relation field. So for any expense that I have, for example, this one's called Patreon, I can click here, and I do have them in the other database already, but if not, you can choose to create a new vendor, or you can just choose the existing one. And then if I click on it, I can go over here. This actually takes me back to that vendor database, and it shows all the connected properties. So in all of my vendors, if I go down here to Patreon, you can see all the expenses that are related to that. So that's one of the neatest things about Notion, is just being able to connect everything together. So this can be used for anything that you want to make sure that you can easily find what needs to be connected.